a great choice today with the 2018 Ram 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there's plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, backup camera, stability control, power sunroof, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, remote engine start, tow hitch, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.